Hello and welcome. Today I would like to show you how to survive your first night in Minecraft survival. I know you can play in creative, but survival is so much more fun. Now I'm going to start with a random world, no seeds, that I found that is a good one. No, just this could work with any seed. So remember, Minecraft survival, difficulty normal, there will be mobs, there will be zombies, you may die. So let's get on with it. Create. So first of all, what you need to do for this survival series, I'm not sure if it's going to be a series, a let's play, or just a one-off. Not really sure. Let me know in the comments down below if you like more of these. Now, first of all, let's see where we spawned. Okay, we spawned in a near a mountain biome. It could be hills. It could be a forest, a birch forest. Yes, okay, okay. Now, good. We have some sheep. That is great. It's not necessary, but it is great. Now, the first thing you need to do if you want to survive your first night is start punching wood. Yes, that is right, because we need some tools. In order to survive your first night, you need some essentials. Now, the essentials are, if you can get it, a bed, but if not, that is still perfectly fine. Now, we need a crafting table. Let's craft some planks, crafting table, and now we're going to, oh, do I have enough? No, I need to put down my crafting table. Okay, I'm going to make some sticks, and then I'm going to make a pickaxe. That is really important, and you'll see in a moment why. Now, first of all, I'll punch some more trees. I'm not going to bother with an axe at this moment. It's not really necessary for one tree. I will cut down some trees later. But yeah, that is what you need to do. Punch wood, get some planks, and then make a pickaxe. Possibly a shovel if you're not near mountains. Okay, now let's run to the mountains and you'll see what we need to do. Now, in order to survive your first night, you need shelter. Now, these mountains are perfect for shelter. If you don't have mountains, do not worry. You can basically dig a hole in the ground to hide for your first night. Now, you'll see what I mean when I said we need to get some stone, cobblestone, because we will need something that is very important, and that is, you can already see it, we need light. Okay, how do we get light? Now, if we're lucky, we could get coal, but I don't see any coal right now. So I'm going to make just a second crafting bench. It doesn't really matter. We have plenty of wood. There, wood, bam. Second, we need a furnace, an oven. Now, you wonder, how are we going to make this? Okay, we're going to put some of the logs in the furnace. How are we going to burn this? Let me see. I'm going to make a pickaxe first, a stone pickaxe. And then, yeah, I'm just going to put the wood in there. Just for good measure. Oh, I was going to say I'm going to make an axe, but that won't be possible. So I'm just going to dig. I'm going to dig around. This will, by the way, be my first house, or hidey hole. There you go. You can dig as far as you want. You can actually dig all the way down to bedrock if you wish to do so. But right now, I'm going to kill some sheep. Sorry, sheep. The sheep will give me wool. Hopefully, one piece of wool. One piece of wool and some meat. Where was the other sheep? Come on, sheep, give me 2 pieces of wool so I can craft a bed. Come on, come on, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Die, die and give me wool. Oh, no, darn it. Just one piece. Oh, okay, never mind. I'll cut down this birch tree so I can make some more charcoal. That can give me torches. But I saw another sheep far away in the distance. So once I get to that sheep, it'll be dead meat. There, another log. Okay, now, oh no, no, no. I don't want to leave these sticking out of the ground. I'm a bit OCD, I guess. So yeah, there, birch log. Where was the other sheep? I'm gonna leave this crafting bench there. Yes, I don't care about that crafting bench. There's plenty more wood to make new crafting benches. Yes, sheep. That sheep has my name on it, and the name says bed. It's bound to give me at least one piece of wool. Come on, come on. I'm sorry, but die, die. Oh, come on, wooden pickaxe. Oh, yes. Great. So we have 3 pieces of wood. Sorry, 3 pieces of wool. We have some wood. Oh, I lost where I was. Where was I? I'm totally disoriented. Where did I start punching the mountain? You see, I'm a professional. not. I'm not professional. Anyone can do this. Anyone can play Minecraft and not die. Oh, there. There. My hidey hole was there. Okay, we need to get in there. And let's get the charcoal first. Okay. Let's put in some more logs. Yes, we need logs. And then we need some more sticks. And I'm going to make, let's say, 8 torches. That should be fine for now. There. Do I have more wood? I don't have enough wood, so let's make an axe. I'm going to chop down some more wood. You can never really have enough wood. I'm going to leave these tall trees. I'm a bit OCD. I like tall trees, but I don't like these very short trees. So in my world, I cut down all the short trees and I leave the taller trees. I know it's a bit counterintuitive, but hey, that's the way I play Minecraft. Here, short. Nah, are they short? There's a shorty. Okay, I'm wasting some time now to cut down the shorties, but I don't really care. We've got plenty of time before the sun sets. Okay, tree. There, bam. I think that'll do for now. This one, I don't really like this one. Come on, tree, die. Don't worry, I will plant more trees once I pick up the saplings. I like forested areas, so don't worry, I'm not causing any environmental catastrophe in Minecraft or global warming. It's not like that. Where's my hidey hole? Darn it! Darn it! Where is it? Where? Oh, there. See, that's why I needed torches. So there, I'll put a torch here so I won't get lost anymore. I'll just cut down this and this. Yeah, like so. Like so. I don't like this wooden pickaxe. If you don't like your tools anymore, you can just use them to smelt something. Up. Oh, yes, there. Let's get some more charcoal going. Do I need a stick? Oh, birchwood. I don't really like birchwood. Yeah, okay. Now I need a door. Can I make doors? Logs into planks. No, not that door. I need a door. We don't want a zombie coming into the cave, the hidey hole. So shall I put it there or here? I'll put it here. Okay, and there we go. We already have a nice little hidey hole, and we're not going to die the first night. Let the zombies come. I invite them. Zombies, skeletons, creepers. Now here, we're basically safe. And that is how you survive the first day in Minecraft. Hey, look at that. We have some coal. That is absolutely great. Oh, I can stop wasting. Oh, too late. Okay, never mind. Let's cook some lamb chops. Getting hungry already. There, we have, can't see very well. We have some coal. There. Oh, lots of coal. Yeah, these pockets of coal are massive nowadays. That is absolutely great. Let's dig some coal. And then, well, this is all you need to know to survive your first night in Minecraft. Little hidey hole. You punch wood. You make some basic tools. You get stone. You get a furnace. Even if you don't find this coal, you can still make charcoal out of the logs that you chop down. Now later on I will probably dig this down all the way to bedrock to find some iron for one, to make other tools and armor, hopefully some diamonds. Here, more coal. Sweet lord, that's amazing. Yeah, coal. I'm really sorry about burning coal. I know it creates carbon dioxide. I will try to be more environmentally friendly in the future. We farm some seaweed or get a bucket of lava. But for now, well, let's craft. Let's just for fun craft a sword. There. And let's venture outside. It is getting dark. Where are the mobs? I can't see any monsters. But hey, I don't care. I'm not going to wait for them. I'm going to stay in here, craft myself a bed, and I can just sleep the night away. There you go. That's how you survive the first night in Minecraft. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more content like this, oh no, no, oh darn it, I'm really a professional. Oh dear, the ceiling was a bit too low. Well, that almost killed me there. So be careful. Make the ceiling high enough before you go to bed. Otherwise, you're gonna choke in a piece of stone. We want that. But anyway, that's it for today. See you next time. Goodbye.